Okay, so today we're starting off in the pool, and it's raining, so I have a quick song. Ready? I'm swimming in the rain, I'm swimming. Oh shoot, okay.
This one's over somewhere over there.
Yeah, touch the kitty, the little one.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I don't think the cats are okay with that.
No, they don't want to be touched.
Yeah, try.
Today we're starting off with some fishing. Okay, so this boat is bigger and there's more space, and there's backs to our seats, so it's a lot more comfortable, and we're using chicken for bait. Not like entire chickens, but like... Okay, so we just caught this catfish. Darn it, it's not on the surface anymore. Anyway, we got a catfish. No, we didn't. He's going crazy. I can't do anything else. Oh my god.
Calm down.
Oh my god.
I
couldn't.
From the tail, First from the whisker, then from the tail.
Okay. I can't.
No, from
out.
from the head.
Yeah, grab his tail.
It's.
Stick your hand in and grab his tail.
It's good. I can't. It's the
Yeah, from
fish.
two whisker.
What?
Two whisker like this.
Okay. So there's one,
Yeah,
and then the other I can't grab the other one when
You
it's
know,
flailing
like that.
everywhere.
I did.
I can't grab the second whisker when it's flailing everywhere, bro. Oh, okay. Can I hold it
Yeah,
by the tail?
yeah. 1, 2, 3. Very hard.
Oh my god, no! It was slippery.
Yeah, for the head. Yeah, for the head.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, for the head.
Like this?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god, ow.
Yeah, watch
That
out.
scared me,
This is-
Just put it into the bag, okay? I'm okay.
Okay.
No!
We need to put in the... Yeah, put it here. Put it.
Why are you making me?
I think it's just over there.
Te vas a ir allá, ¿no?
Look at it. Yeah, now it's dying. Sad. Alright, we're gonna eat you, boy.
That thing just.
Okay, so now we're in the pool. Naomi will be out in just a second.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
This is a 70-year-old mango tree. There are like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of mangoes in this tree. Everywhere. Everywhere. Cacao tree. Like to make chocolate. But these are not ripe. He said they get yellow when they get ripe.
So right now we're visiting an indigenous family, and we learned that they cut down certain trees to eat the larva, and a tree that it cuts and drink a little bit of the sap to kill bacteria, or not bacteria,
Parasites?
parasites inside of their stomach. And they also have 3 really, really cute capybaras.
Can I catch one?
He's like, yo, who are these new people?
Look at the eggs.
I'm starving.
Another eggs over there.
So we have a bunch of turtles here now, and we saw an egg. Here, come on. An egg, a turtle egg.
Just to say hi to every day.
Oh my God! And there's another egg. They have cotton plants. So if you've ever wondered where cotton comes from, it comes out of a flower, and so you just go like this. Grab and go. Now you have cotton. This is hard though.
This is how they would make fires.
Tell me when you get tired.
Coming close.
Also, they're coming.
Dad, do you have my water?
So we got it. Okay, yeah, we got it.
Did we get it? Did we get it? I mean, ish.
I think ish. Ish. It's ishy
As you
on
know,
fire.
William is just trying to keep it going.
We got on fire ish.
So now we're trying to shoot the fruit on top of the log, and I almost just hit it, so we're videoing this one. Oh God, that was not good.
Yeah,
Dude, that was really close.
Oh, come on.
They also have banana tree and all the cacao hanging up there, and that tree, cacao tree.
Oh, eight! Eight!
You found the 8th pineapple?
Yeah.
Papaya tree.